fuel gauge stuck on full, or empty. Let's fix that mystery, fast. The Chevy Colorado is a tough truck, but sometimes the fuel gauge just won't play nice. Maybe it says you're full when you know you're not, or it drops to empty right after you fill up. So, what's going on? First, it could be a bad fuel sending unit. This part sits inside your gas tank and tells the gauge how much fuel you really have. If it wears out, your gauge gets confused. Second, wiring problems. If the wires between your tank and your dashboard get damaged or loose, the reading can jump around or freeze. Third, it could be a blown fuse or a faulty gauge cluster on your dash. Less common, but still possible. Before you panic or spend big, check for recalls. Sometimes Chevy fixes these issues for free, and if you're ever unsure, a quick visit to a trusted mechanic can save you lots of headaches down the road. So next time your gauge goes wild, you'll know what to look for, and what to do. Stay safe, and keep your tank filled.